You know that feeling. It's Friday night, you've got the popcorn and a whole night to yourself. You open up Netflix and a single question hits you like a brick wall. What do I even watch? You scroll for 20 minutes, get frustrated, and end up just watching the same old rerun you've seen 100 times. But it's not just Netflix. It's trying to choose a restaurant, a new phone, or even a career path. What's going on? We have more options than ever, so why are we less happy? For a long time, we were told that freedom means more choices. More options equal more happiness, right? But the opposite is true. The more choices you have, the more anxious you become. Think of your decision-making like a battery. Every time you have to choose between 10 different brands of toothpaste or 50 different t-shirt colors, you're draining that battery. And the worst part? You're left with decision regret. That little voice that asks, what if I had made a better choice? You end up paralyzing yourself, overthinking every little detail until you're exhausted. And for what? For a choice that, in the grand scheme of things, might not even matter. This is a common trap, and it's called the paradox of choice. The paradox of choice is a psychological concept that says an overabundance of options can actually lead to anxiety, dissatisfaction, and even depression. Understanding this isn't about giving up your freedom. It's about taking back control. It's about becoming a choice architect for your own life. The benefit is simple: less stress, more energy, and a greater sense of satisfaction with the decisions you actually make. Instead of being stuck in analysis paralysis, you can move forward with confidence. So how do you become a choice architect? It's all about setting some simple, non-negotiable rules. Here are 3 you can start with today. The 2-choice rule. For small decisions, limit yourself to 2 options. Trying to pick a coffee shop? Find 2 and pick 1. Don't look for a third. This simple rule eliminates 90% of your everyday indecision. Satisfice. Don't maximize. Don't try to find the perfect solution. That's a trap. Instead, find the option that is good enough and stick with it. It's called satisficing, and it's a superpower for your mental health. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Set an exit condition. When you're making a big decision, like buying a new laptop, decide on your exit condition beforehand. Maybe it's a price range or a specific set of features. Once you find an option that meets your criteria, you stop looking. You've met your condition, so the decision is made. No more scrolling. So next time you're stuck on the Netflix menu, remember the paradox. The problem isn't that you don't have enough great movies to watch. The problem is that you have too many. Don't be a victim of your choices. Take control. Set a few simple rules and watch how much lighter and more satisfied your life becomes. You don't need endless options to be free. You just need to know which ones matter.